What's going on, you guys? It's Owen with Trinity Jumpers with another tutorial, another how-to. This one is going to be how to roll this 13 by 13 bouncy castle behind me. I'm going to show you step by step. So let's go ahead and deflate it, and then we'll get into the rolling process. Let's go. All right, you guys, so let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is pull the back cones back this way. So when you get it nice and even, that, you want to get it as flat as possible. Like that. Now, you're going to want to fold these cones over to line up with the top of the jumper right there. There we go. Now you want to get your blower tubes, tuck those. There's one, there's two. Now we're going to pull back the front cones back this way, the opposite direction as the back cones. We'll pull it to the back. There we go. Get it nice and flat. You'll see it starts to take a shape. Okay, there it is. Step on it a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna pull back the entrance part. Gonna wipe it down real quick. It's kind of dirty. All right. Now we're gonna do the trifold right here. Fold it over to where the entrance is on both sides. One side. Let's get this side. All right. All right. Now we're gonna roll it from the front of the jumper to the back. Make sure you get it nice and tight at the beginning. Put some body weight on it. And there it is there. It's a perfect roll. How to roll a bounce house.